Hello, wonderful viewers. It's a pleasure to have you back here at i.Motivi. I'm Ellen, and today's journey is going to be quite enlightening. We're diving deep into the world of nutrition. If you've ever found yourself pondering over the essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves for optimal health, you're in for a treat. Before we embark on this nutritional expedition, though, if you're new here, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future wellness explorations. Now, without further ado, let's dive into today's comprehensive guide. Today's deep dive into nourishing your body is like embarking on a treasure hunt for your well-being. The 9 vital vitamins and minerals we're about to unravel play distinct roles in supporting various bodily functions. Understanding the importance of each is akin to discovering the secret ingredients that keep the magnificent machine of your body running smoothly. Vitamin A, retinoic acid, is an important nutrient for vision, growth, cell division, reproduction and immunity. Vitamin A also has antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are substances that can protect your cells from the effects of free radicals, molecules produced when your body breaks down food or is exposed to tobacco smoke and radiation. Free radicals may play a role in heart disease, cancer and other diseases. Vitamin A can be found in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, green leaves and melon. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Thus, among the benefits and functions of vitamin A we mention: Filled Circle strong antioxidant effect. Filled Circle it helps us assimilate calcium. Filled Circle supports vision, especially night vision. Filled Circle takes care of the health of the nails and dermis. Filled Circle supports the formation of white blood cells. Filled Circle it helps in the formation of antibodies and supports the immune system. Filled Circle support of the digestive system. Filled Circle supports the reproductive system. Filled Circle it helps us distinguish colors correctly. As an oral supplement, vitamin A benefits mainly people who have a poor or limited diet or who have a condition that increases the need for vitamin A, such as pancreatic disease, eye disease, or measles. If you take vitamin A for its antioxidant properties, you realize that the supplement may not provide the same benefits as natural antioxidants in food. Beyond use as an oral supplement, vitamin A is used in topical creams to reduce fine lines, blemishes, and roughness, and to treat acne. Vitamin C is one of the essential vitamins for the body for collagen production and boosts our immune system and is naturally available in most vegetables and fruits. It is used by the body as an antioxidant to prevent cell damage and also for the growth and repair of tissues, because it participates in the formation of collagen. Vitamin C plays a role in healing wounds and maintaining the health of the skin, blood vessels, bones and cartilage. Most people can get enough vitamin C from food. Fresh fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamin C, and a person should be able to get all the daily amount of vitamin C need from what they eat. An orange, half cup of chopped red pepper or a cup of broccoli or sliced strawberries provide the necessary amount of vitamin C for the whole day. In the cold season, vitamin C helps to strengthen the body's immunity, and in this way it can protect you from microbial and viral infections. Because during the winter we do not always consume enough fresh fruits and vegetables, often the necessary vitamin C cannot be covered only through food intake, we must turn to supplements. When vitamin C is taken, how many days the treatment is followed and how it is administered depends on the purpose for which the doctor prescribes this vitamin, especially in the case of children. Also, the dose of vitamin C administered to children must be the one prescribed by the doctor. Vegetable foods containing vitamin C. Let's not forget that the best sources of vitamin C are fresh fruits and vegetables. High temperatures and boiling them in water can destroy some of the vitamin C content, so raw foods are best. Fruits with vitamin C content are oranges, lemons, grapefruit, kiwi, strawberries, melons, citrus fruits. Vegetables with vitamin C content are red bell pepper, tomato, broccoli, green bell pepper, cabbage, spinach, peas, potato, kale, cauliflower, asparagus. Foods of animal origin containing vitamin C. Certain types of meat and fish are also a good source of vitamin C for humans. Animal foods that cooked, heated, contain virtually no vitamin C, but small amounts of this nutrient can be found in raw liver, eggs, roe, meat, and fish. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is crucial for bone health and can be obtained from sunlight, as well as foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means that it dissolves in fat and can be stored in the body for a long time. It is found naturally in some plants and foods and can be synthesized by the body following exposure to sunlight. Vitamin D can also be found in the form of food supplements. Vitamin D is stable to heat, sensitive to light and oxidants, being necessary in the process of bone development. However, exposure to the sun does not always provide the necessary dose of vitamin D, which is why it is necessary to obtain additional intake by using food supplements, for example, or by introducing foods that contain vitamin D to become active. Vitamin D undergoes two transformations in the body. Initially, this is converted into calcidiol in the liver. Later, it is converted into calcitriol at the level of the kidneys. This being the active form of vitamin D, calcitriol interacts with vitamin D receptors, which are found in almost all cells in the body, favoring a better absorption of calcium and phosphorus, but also maintaining a strong immune system. Exposure to the sun is one of the ways to ensure the necessary dose of vitamin D. Other sources of vitamin D are the following: fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines, cod and cod liver oil, yolk, oranges, cheese and yogurt, beef liver, mushrooms, milk, juices and fortified cereals. Vitamin E, also popularly called the fertility vitamin, due to the important role it plays in the reproductive function of the body, has a strong antioxidant effect, supports the immune system and takes care of the health of the epidermis, being used in production of dermatocosmetics and anti-aging supplements. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, which the body stores only for a short period of time. That is precisely why people need regular dietary intake of vitamin E. It is assimilated naturally by eating vegetables, vegetable oils, nuts, egg yolk and liver, among others. The intake of vitamin E can be supplemented with food supplements. It is also found in many dermatocosmetic products. Vitamin K. As you already know, vitamin K plays an essential role in blood clotting, but it also has other properties and functions, including supporting the health of our bones and helping to prevent calcification of blood vessels, potentially reducing blood risk. Cardiovascular diseases. Vitamin K1 is found in large amounts in leafy vegetables such as kale, chard, spinach, cruciferous vegetables, i.e. some cruciferous vegetables, turnip greens, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, asparagus, sauerkraut, grains. Soybeans, beans, edamame, pickles, pumpkin, pine nuts, blueberries, green beans, plums, kiwi, soybean oil, avocado, green peas, cabbage, fresh parsley, beet leaves. Other sources include vegetable oils and some fruits. It's good to be informed and know which are the best sources of vitamin K to include in your diet if you want to avoid blood clotting problems. You should be able to get all the vitamin K you need from a varied and balanced diet. If, however, you have a diet low in the nutrient, you should take vitamin K supplements, but not before asking your doctor for advice, as it can interact negatively with certain medications he is taking. B vitamins. Vitamin B complex refers to all water-soluble vitamins except vitamin C. These are vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B9, and vitamin B12. Each vitamin as part of the B vitamin complex has a unique structure and a specific effect on the body. For example, vitamin B6 is an essential amino acid for metabolism, while vitamin B12 and vitamin B9 facilitate cell division. Here is some basic information about B vitamins. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Vitamin B1 helps the body produce new, healthy cells. Thiamine is also called the anti-stress vitamin because it has the ability to protect the immune system. At the same time, this vitamin is necessary to process carbohydrates. Sources of vitamin B1 are whole grains, peanuts, beans, kale, spinach and wheat germ. Vitamin B2 riboflavin. Vitamin B2 acts as an antioxidant, helping the body fight against free radicals. This vitamin prevents premature aging and the development of heart disease. Several studies in recent years have suggested that riboflavin helps treat migraines. Although natural light is beneficial for the body, you must be careful, as ultraviolet rays reduce the content of riboflavin in food. For example, milk should be kept in opaque containers so that the riboflavin is not reduced. Sources of vitamin B2 are almonds, milk, yogurt, eggs, wild rice, spinach and soybeans. Vitamin B3 niacin. One of the most powerful effects of niacin is to increase the level of good cholesterol. The higher this cholesterol is, the lower the bad cholesterol is. Vitamin B3 deficiency is very rare in developed countries. Sources of vitamin B3 are fish, chicken and turkey meat, red meat, milk, eggs, beans and green vegetables. Vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is the most widespread vitamin in the B vitamin complex. It is found in most foods. This is where its name comes from, the Greek word pantos, meaning from all over. Vitamin B5 is responsible for the production of sex hormones, but it also plays an important role in maintaining the elasticity and beauty of the skin. Sources of vitamin B5 are eggs, nuts, fruits, vegetables and yogurt. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine. Along with vitamins B12 and B9, vitamin B6 regulates the level of homocysteine, an amino acid associated with heart disease. Pyridoxine also plays an important role in mood, producing serotonin, melatonin and norepinephrine. Sources of vitamin B6 are turkey, chicken, salmon, tuna, sunflower seeds, cheese, brown rice and carrots. Vitamin B7 biotin. Vitamin B7 is called the beauty vitamin because it is associated with healthy hair, beautiful nails and glowing skin. At the same time, biotin also helps to balance the blood sugar level, but it is also essential during pregnancy, being vital for the development of the fetus. Sources of vitamin B7 are liver, yeast, chicken, fish, potatoes, egg yolk and nuts. Vitamin B9 folic acid. Folic acid is essential in cell formation, so it promotes fetal development during pregnancy and can prevent birth defects. Studies have also shown that folic acid prevents depression and memory disorders. Sources of vitamin B9 are leafy green vegetables, spinach, cabbage, arugula, etc., asparagus, beetroot, milk, beans and salmon. Vitamin B12 cobalamin. Vitamin B12, together with vitamin B9, contributes to the production of red cells and creates the context that iron needs to provide the body with the necessary amount of hemoglobin. Since it is predominantly found in foods of animal origin, studies have shown that vegetarians and vegans have a higher risk of developing vitamin B12 deficiency, which is why it is good to take a supplement. Sources of vitamin B12 are fish, seafood, milk and dairy products. Calcium. Present everywhere in nature, calcium has an essential role in the human body, ensuring the normal functioning of the osteoarticular system, bone density and the functioning of muscle and nerve cells. A vital macroelement for humans, calcium is found in many foods, but its fixation in bones also depends on the presence of other vitamins and minerals. In the human body, calcium represents approximately 2% of the body mass and 99% is stored in the bone system and teeth, in the form of calcium phosphate and citrate. Quantitatively, bones contain approximately 1 kilogram of calcium. The main dietary source of calcium is dairy products. They cover the need for this mineral in a proportion of 60 to 80%, under the conditions of a normal diet. Other foods rich in calcium are basil, sage, mint, thyme, parsley, cinnamon, almonds, beans, broccoli, sesame seeds, figs, salmon and sardines. Iron. It is a major essential element for the human body. Iron storage is done with the help of the molecule called ferritin, in which the dominant compound is Fe-phosphate. The most important role of iron in the human body is binding and transporting atmospheric oxygen. This process is carried out largely with the help of hemoglobin and myoglobin. The physiological storage of iron is achieved through ferritin and partially through hemosiderin. It plays an important role in the development of the body, increases resistance to diseases, restores skin tone and combats the feeling of fatigue. Iron is a mineral with essential roles in the body. One of the most important functions is to transport oxygen to the tissues, being a constituent element of hemoglobin. Iron is a trace element naturally present in both animal and vegetable foods. Some commercial food products are also fortified with this mineral, for example, breakfast cereals. 1. It can be of two types. Heminic high bioavailability. The body absorbs it in high quantities. It is found in animal sources. Non-heminic low bioavailability. It is absorbed in small amounts. It is present in vegetable foods, and its absorption can be increased with the help of vitamin C. Iron is stored in the body in the liver, spleen, muscle and bone marrow, in its ferritin storage form. The protein called transferrin transports iron in the body. Iron is naturally found in many foods: beef, liver, lamb, chicken, fish, spinach and beans, oat cereals, white beans, dark chocolate, oysters, cooked spinach, cooked and drained lentils, tofu, chickpeas boiled and drained, boiled tomatoes, baked potato, fried cashew nuts. Magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in the human body, being involved in more than 600 cellular reactions, the DNA production program, and even its contribution to muscle contraction. Magnesium plays an important role in over 300 enzymatic reactions within the human body, including metabolism, fatty acid and protein synthesis, and nerve impulse transmission. Magnesium plays an important role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the human body, including metabolism, fatty acid and protein synthesis, and nerve impulse transmission. Sources of magnesium are pumpkin seed, cooked spinach, cooked Swiss chard, cooked black beans, cooked beans, flax seeds, cooked beetroot, almonds, dark chocolate, avocado, tofu, soybean cheese, bananas, some types fatty fish to salmon, mackerel and halibut, lentils, beans, chickpeas, peas and soybeans, whole grains. Remember, a well-balanced diet is the key to getting these nutrients naturally, but supplements can be helpful if needed. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to determine what's right for you. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at 9 vital vitamins and minerals your body needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, to subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. As always, thank you for tuning in to i.Motivi. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.